Welcome to the Joyce Spence Appleton Estate Realm Experience, where our richly spirited Jamaican culture flows through every drop of rum.
Over 2,000.
So we have
No, but I've watched.
so we have more than 2,000 types of sugarcane on the island. So just like how you can crossbreed animals, you can crossbreed sugarcane. So sweet, fresh, salty sugarcane, buttery sugarcane.
What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are heading to Appleton Estate. We'll be touring the property and I'm taking you guys with me. Last time I did a video like this, I was on my way to Appleton. So now, guys, I'm actually here. My husband and I got a treat for Valentine's. I know that this video is a little bit late, but please enjoy it. Alright, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also to leave a comment. Blessings. Enjoy.
So the wristband will give you access to the tour as well as a complimentary drink at the bar that is behind you, right?
Okay.
Also, we're receiving your lunch ticket. So the lunch ticket options, you'll get jerk chicken or jerk pork or sweet chili fish. So right then, alright?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Lunch won't be ready on. No man, you're good man. I saw that you completed it. Okay. But your tour should be going up like.
So we still the bar and something noise. You got light? Very. Yeah. You should go light, you have to go dark, you know? Light as well. Alright, so I'm going to give you the Stormy Valley. That is rum, ginger beer, and Angostura bitters. One of my personal favorite cocktails to have. Look at light, guys. Best cocktail in the hemisphere. Okay. Me say that on the care. I know what's the great thing about here? You get to keep the rum, the couple of souvenirs. What are you saying with the thing on it? Definitely. Or something. Enjoy. Thank you. Feel free to walk around, take pictures, and kiss and make. You gonna kiss me? Oh, Gandla. Gandla, yeah? Kiss and thank you. You can. Before you go on tour, if you want another drink, feel free to come. Alright, thank you so much. And your name is? Randy. Thank you, Randy, and blessings.
alcoholic spirit made from sugarcane juice or byproducts such as molasses using fermentation and distillation. The result is an elegant, distinct, full-bodied spirit which gains complexity and flavor as it ages. Rum is produced all around the world, with each region having its own specific style and flavor depending on how it's crafted. To make
Alright, so this is our mill operator, David. And that is our donkey, Paz, P-A-Z. Say hello, Paz.
Hi, Paz.
Who's from the sugar cane. So Paz, he makes his way around. David already inserted the cane and the juice got extracted. Now from this method we can get 65 to 70% juice coming from the sugar cane, but the method that we use today, 98%. Now I'm going to do a comparison. Look at what David is holding. That is the result from holding. It's the result of what we do today. So when you compare the two, you can see the big difference. Now in Jamaica, we call this rum. So what we will do, bagasse. Yes, and you can use it to make bagasse board. Some persons know it as compress board, particle board, chipboard. You can use it to make furniture.
Yes.
Now, Appleton Estate, we're not in the board making business. We are
Rum.
So what we will do when we burn this, the ash that we get from it, we use it as fertilizer. We can also use it as fertilizer. We can also burn it in a boiler that will provide power for the entire estate. So literally, nothing goes to waste. Now the trash that remains from this method, we give it to Paz. So we have 2 donkeys in total. You met Paz already. We have a female donkey, so Paz has it. Husband and
Wife.
No, don't worry about it. The good thing about the tour, you'll get samples of sugarcane to taste. I'll take you to that stop. Let us rock and
Roll.
roll.
Rum. Bye, Paz.
This was in the documentary. The reason for it, Appleton Estate, we're coming from a plantation system. Slavery is a dark part of our history. It's a part of the past. It is something that we can never change. So we wanted to honor all the enslaved persons who were once on the estate. So that is why we created the monument. Now it was done by a young Jamaican artist. Her name is Trishana Henry. And the name of the monument, that is it.
I've been telling of stay along.
Jamaica, we got it from Papua New Guinea. Also, persons believe it's only one type of sugarcane that we have on the island. It's many. Make a guess. Tell me how many types do we actually have?
Over 2,000.
So we have more. You come on to this one?
No, but I've watched.
So we have more than 2,000 types of sugarcane on the island. So just like how you can crossbreed animals, you can crossbreed sugarcane. So sweet, fresh, salty sugarcane, buttery sugar starts on this property. We're not able to bring you to the location, so what we did, we brought it to you. Because of sugarcane, remember, please do not swallow the trash. Going down, car coming. Everybody understands?
Yes, ma'am.
Light it up, swallow the juice, the trash you spit in the bin, right over there. Alright, so come up for the samples.
Thank you.
Lassan is on our way to make our own sugarcane juice.
Yeah!
Give them encouragement.
Yeah.
Where is the encouragement?
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Almost there.
Thank you. So he will pour from his cup into yours.
Okay.
Thank you.
Guys, my first time drinking cane juice, drinking it. Normally eat, chew it, and then get the juice from it. But remember, don't swallow.
Hard to get nowadays.
Two. So guys, we are here at the molasses corner. Molasses booth section.
Alright, come up a little. So the liquid is molasses, grains, sugar. So in Jamaica, the sugar crystals start to form. This has iron, vitamin B6 and 12, good for your nerves, good energizer, calcium, magnesium, potassium, good for ladies, but better for men. Wrong. It will mess up the place, that is okay. You know what I mean?
Go.
Alright, so we understand that not everybody will like the taste of this. That is okay. Use it to do something else. Barbecue sauce, browning on chicken, molasses cookies, Christmas cake, jerk. Appleton Estate, we don't want it as it is, so we take it, pour it into a centrifugal basket. That will separate the molasses from the sugar. Molasses we keep to make rum, sugar you can export. So brown sugar comes from molasses. Right? Everybody understands? Yes, ma'am. Alright, so I have a question. This is just to see if you were paying attention. I did not say this to you. What year did we start rum production?
1979. 1962.
70, it's on the sign right here. Yes. So fermentation, distillation. First female master blender in the spirits industry in the world. And she's Jamaican, which we pride ourselves on. Give her a round of applause, please.
Ooh, Jamaican to the world.
Yes.
We were reading.
Now the tasting made by
Joyce. Where's Sister Joyce?
Right? So she's not here today, she was here last week. Right? Fermentation, This is it. We convert sugar to alcohol. In order to do it, we need yeast. So we take the fungi from the skin of the sugar cane and we grow it in the labs. That is our special strain of yeast. We add it to the molasses. It will feed on the sugars inside and convert it into alcohol. That's it. At the end of this process, we get 7%. That is weak. That's like a beer. We don't want any beer. No. We want rum, please. Right. So that is how distillation will come in. When we distill, we get 86%, 96%. Injulu, Kulu, Jankro, Bati. Oh. So some persons know it as moonshine, everclear, white lightning, screech. It's just a high percentage of alcohol that's legal to sell on the market. Now let me make this clear. Usually when I get here, persons always ask, how can I get the Kulu Kulu? How can I get the Jankrabati? You have to know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody. I don't know anybody.
Guys, Rachel doesn't know anybody.
When we get to the yes. Alright, any question? So we also use so we were inside the distillery. You saw a bigger version of the pot still. What material did it look like? Copper. 100%. Any Appleton rum that you taste, you'll get a citrus flavor, and that is because of the copper. Any Appleton rum that you see on the market, made here, but bottling can take place anywhere else. Once we make the rum, we make at least 40 million liters of rum per year. Make it here, send it to Kingston, that is headquarters. They bottle, barrel, blend. Anybody knows Ray and Nephew? They do a white overproof? Yes. Appleton Estate, Ray and Nephew, we're the same company. So Ray and Nephew will do white rum, we do dark rum. Anybody knows the difference between the two?
One is overproof. One belongs to a father and it's nephew.
The barrels, right here.
Oh.
Yes. Alright, so let me break it down. So when Ray and Nephew makes their product, they have a distillery. The rum comes off crystal clear, colorless. All they will do, dilute it, put it in bottles. But the dark rum, we take it off the still, dilute it, put it in the barrels.
So the barrels also contribute to the color.
Exactly. So we get the barrels from the United States. It's American white oak. The reason why we use these, they give us certain characteristics.
Vanilla flavor.
So vanilla,
less woody.
The cocoa, sweetness, color. We're not adding to the rum, it comes naturally from the barrels. So to break it down even further, everybody knows how to season chicken?
Yes.
So you have the raw chicken, the seasoning. So just imagine this, the white rum is the raw chicken, the barrel is the seasoning. Once you put it together, what will happen? Exactly. So the longer you keep it inside, the better it will taste. So, I know you're wondering about these. They're displays. Rum is in the glass. not the barrel. We just want you to understand how the rums will change as they age. So it starts all the way up here, but by the time it gets to 30, that is what we have left. So we're losing a lot of rum. So the rum will evaporate, it goes up into the atmosphere. We call it the angel's share. So the angel gets their share, right? Now rums, while they age, they get smoother, sweeter, darker, and more
Roma.
expensive.
Oh, that is.
There's a this rum ever created back then. The cost, 5,000 US a bottle, 500 a shot. Were sold out from 2018. But we're trying to do something else, but it won't be ready until 2062.
Oh my God.
Prime Minister's Reserve Jamaica rum. This one will celebrate 100 years of independence for Jamaica. Estimated cost, 30,000 US a bottle.
Wow.
In Jamaica?
The US.
No, in Jamaica, what will it be?
About
The conversion of the
so
30,000.
times 155 times the 30,000.
At the time.
The current. But it will be more.
Yeah, then.
Now, last two things, and then we head to rum tasting. So once we're done with the barrel, do not dispose. The company holds up to 8,000 barrels. In total, we have 17, that's all across the island. That's 250,000 barrels. Any questions? 30-year-old barrel.
Got a hold of you. Look at Lacey praising for rum. Rum.
We are going through this gate. Sugar cane's cool and nice. It's peaceful. Apple.
Dos.
Boom. Open up, please. Open up. You ready now? Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up.
Orange key. And the last container is chocolate. Leave the chocolates alone. Why? We're not ready for it as tasty. Yes. Alright, so start on the left. Lift your glass. Look at the color. Tell me if you see a gold color. Yes. Now go ahead, smell it. What are you smelling? So you get a strong rum smell, should also get citrus, should get a little fruity. Yes? Now lift your glasses. Cheers to those who wish us well, and those who don't can go to hell.
Too spicy? So just me? Oh my God, so just
How was the taste?
What? It's that water. It's not.
So you tasted Appleton Estate, alright? This is the weakest rum on the line. It only gets worse from 40%. Alright, so let me explain. Everybody listening.
India, it's like that film there with me and two my
Look at the color. What do you notice is different? And that's because of aging. Now we're going to do things a little different. Tilt your glass to the side, any side. Where the rum meets the dash, right at the top, you should see a separation. So it's like oil on top of the rum. So we call it the ring of aging. Whenever you want to like age your rum, that is what you have to look for. Alright? So it's not telling you the exact age, just telling you that the rum is aged. You should see the rum running down the sides of the glass. So we call it legs. Yes, legs. So the thicker the legs, the slower they run down, is the more aged the rum is. First, yes, right? Vanilla. That's all that one last is. Now lift your glasses, turn to the person beside you and say cheers. 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 On the rocks. If I say neat, N-E-A-T, no ice. Great. If I say on the rocks, ice. If you mix it two ways. Number one, all you're doing is adding coconut water. If you don't want to do that, make coconut water ice cubes and drop it in. No. For the second way, everybody knows how to make lemonade? Yeah. So you're making a rum lemonade. So lime or lemon, sugar, instead of the water you add rum. Where's confidence? Rum. So, anybody ever heard of a daiquiri before? Yes. That is how you make a daiquiri. Rum, sugar, lime, syrup. So your glass. Lift the glass at the end. Tilt it to the side. Look for the ring of aging. Should be a little wider. Should see a little green coming through. So it's not a dark green, it's a light green. Right? If you're having trouble, use your cover, put it behind the glass.
Chevy, you want to put it in a mouth?
Everybody look for the legs, look for the slow. So younger rums go down quick, older rums go down slow. Now follow my lead. Hold your glass away. After 3, I will ask you to inhale and exhale with the glass away. So 1 and 2 and 3, inhale, exhale. Bring the glass to your nose. So smell. Remove it from your nose and swirl. With the glass away, inhale, exhale. Return the glass to your nose. So you open the rum so you can get more aromas coming from inside. Now this is where chocolate will come in. Before we eat, take a sip, a little sip. Go ahead. Not all, don't finish it. No, it's a little sip. chocolate, swallow. Chew it up, don't swallow. So 70 cocoa, 30 sugar, dark chocolate. Right? Is it melting? So while the chocolate is in your mouth, take another sip of rum, swirl it around your mouth 10 times. Blend it up, you must mix it up, and then swallow everything together. Take your time when you swallow.
And it is spicy for you, don't
Everybody tastes different? Alright, so the 12, this is a dessert rum. So that's why we gave you chocolate. Once you have it, it's meat on the rocks. That is it. Now can I see the hands of the persons who like the first rum on the land? First rum. Now I have to tell you about something special. There is a rum here, you can buy it nowhere else in the world, nowhere else in Jamaica, but here. You purchase the empty bottle. We take you to the barrel in the shop, you pour from the barrel into your bottle. You get a label, you will say hand the bottle by, you write your name